Hey everyone, Process Snow here. Recently, Cookie and I had to run some errands in Hongdae, which is quite far from our home, but since we were there, we decided to pick up a few Gunpla things. Hey Cookie! On our way to 네이버하비코리아. It's one of the Gunpla stores in Korea, and we're going there because we can park. If you buy $50 worth of stuff, 50,000 won worth of stuff, you get 30 minutes of free parking. Other places it's pretty hard to park here in Hongdae, but lots of Gunpla shops, so pretty good. Hongdae is actually the mecca of Gunpla in Korea. It has the highest concentration of Gunpla stores, which used to be really close to where I live, and when I was single, I liked to go there and pick up tools and paints. Hey, here at 네이버하비코리아, lots of paints, Gunpla, and other kits. Check it out. 네이버하비코리아 probably has the biggest offline stock and variety of hobby paints and tools in Korea, and they also sell a lot of military kits and some kotobukiya and Gunpla, but that's a more modest selection. 물어봐. 오, 여기 사자비 있어. This is where I used to get my testers paints. 같은데? 내가 요거였지? 요거 하고 요거였지? 자, 됐어 난. They've really got almost all the paints here. Mr. Hobby, IPP, Gaia notes, spray cans, lacquers, enamels, acrylics. There's actually a lot more other kinds of kits than Gunpla here. So all these cars, which I don't know anything about. The good thing though is if you come to Korea and you want to find other plastic model kits outside of just Gunpla, then this is a good place to come. They've just got so many different kinds of plastic models. 아빠가 넣어? 아니 내가 이거 넣을 때 찍으려. 나중에 아니야 여기 넣어. 여기다가 넣어. Here we are at the Gunpla section. It's actually a pretty small section, but they do have a good amount of PG kits. And all Gunpla prices are official box prices, so not really the lowest prices you're gonna find in an offline store, but their tools and paints are pretty much standard prices. So I wouldn't really buy kits here, I would just buy tools and paints here.
Need one of these. Costs an arm and a leg, but they're good. Lots of Kotobukiya kits, Armored Core, used to be really into that. All official box prices though, so I don't really buy any of these Kotobukiya kits here. Okay, now we are at the juice of the store, I think. This is the section that I usually come into this store for all of these tools. You can't really find this huge of a selection physically offline anywhere else, but they also sell all of this stuff online. So if you're curious about the prices of anything, even as you're shopping, you could just check their site. And unfortunately, a lot of their products are not price tagged. So, I mean, you look at a lot of these things and you don't know how much they cost. Also, you notice I am filming this quite quickly because of our parking. We have just 30 minutes, so gotta get out there. Too cheap to pay for the parking. 아니지, 그 지금 9만 원에 결제했어. 됐어? 더 입고 싶어?
네, 감사합니다.
네, 네, 감사합니다. 그거 할까? Cookie bought some paints for Psycho Gundam 2. I bought some paints for my SD Justa Cannon. It's gonna be my first time using Mr. Hobby, Mr. Color. That's for the Justa. And I broke both of my God Hand nippers. This is so expensive. 68,000 won. That's like 70 bucks. But it's so good. So I just have to be more careful with it. I was super not careful with my other ones. I'm gonna paint the blue frame. And they keep these separately. So you have to ask for decals. They don't put them out. And this is for the MG ashtray. And
and a butter of thinner, and painting gloss. I'm just finding the leveling thinner a lot better, so we're just gonna start to switch to leveling thinner now instead of regular thinner. Ooh, almost out of battery. Bye, Cookie. Say bye.
Hi.
Your likes, comments, and subscription helps this channel grow on YouTube and puts me on the path towards making more videos. Thanks, everyone. Bye!